I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device OS and that your Apple ID is signed in. This prevents unexpected blocks later. Once done, go straight to Settings and open Screen Time or Restrictions. That's where App Store locks live. You'll be prompted to set or enter a screen time passcode. Use a code you'll remember, but others won't guess. This passcode separates admin control from regular use, so make sure it's different from device unlock for stronger protection. Now you configure the App Store-specific controls. Turn content and privacy restrictions on, then tap iTunes and App Store purchases. This is where you block installs, deletions, and in-app purchases. Choose Allow or Don't Allow for each action, and set Require Password to always require if you need firm control. If you're managing a child's device, use the allowed age ratings and app limits to tighten access. Make changes deliberately. Finish by testing. Try to install an app or make an in-app purchase to verify restrictions are active. If the lock doesn't engage, sign out and back into the Apple ID or reset the screen time passcode from settings. This often resolves sync glitches. For recurring problems, restart the device, update iOS, or remove and reapply restrictions. If you need stricter, device-wide enforcement, consider guided access for short-term lockdowns or a mobile device management solution for organizational control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.